Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I was watching YouTube the other night and Nicole from Relax Cut Glue is doing a sticker book. Now she does a lot of glue books and I've never seen this sort of concept before, and I thought, oh, that'll be fun. What a great way to use up all your stickers. So away I went and move this out the way, found an empty journal and started one. So what it is you have a letter of the alphabet on every page, and then you fill that page up with stickers starting with that letter. So I've been through all my containers and found and used everything that I had that worked with this. I haven't been using ephemera bits because, oh, what's going on? Oh, it doesn't like the white glow. Oh. Using all these stickers that I had that worked. Yeah, not using ephemera because those need to be glued in, and so I've just been using stickers. Went to work and had a look at all the clearance stickers, bought some of those, used those, and now I've been through Abby's stash and got her stash of stickers, and that's what I'm going to have a go at today with you. Okay, so let's try and, without blowing out the camera, let me show you what I've done. I haven't done anything on that page, and then all of this page will be filled up with stickers that start with the letter A. And then how she did it on the opposite page was it just random stickers? And it's something that you don't rush at, you just keep coming back to it. When you get another stash of stickers or somebody's given you some, you can go through and add them in. So there's A, B, those are berries. I've got a bear, a butterfly. I won't go through because you can see what they all are, bones. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, nothing's happening on J, K, L, M, N, I like that one, N, O, P, nothing happening on Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So I found this little pouch of stickers. These are journaling ones that I made. Must have been a while ago because we've got Queen's birthday in there. Now we don't have Queen's birthday anymore, we have King's birthday. So, but what I could see poking out the back, so I made all of these and printed them on sticker paper, and but I saw these ones. Now these mean absolutely nothing to you, but Hang on. So they're just on Avery A4 sticker paper that's got nothing on it. But this is, don't need that one. This is Waiheke Island. This is where I grew up. 35 minutes out of Auckland. You can only get there by ferry, helicopter, car ferry, plane, like a seaplane. You can catch a seaplane, or you can catch like a, what do they call them, those smaller ones. Anyway, this was a piece of artwork that I did, and I took a photo of it and made them into stickers. So I've got this framed, a big piece of it, on my wall. If I can find a photo, I'll put it in. But I thought, so we can add Waiheke, because it's a sticker, into my book. These are that old, I don't even know if they're going to stick. Don't want to rip it. But yes, Nicole's book was really, really cool. She did random stickers on the other side, or she did maybe she'd done themed ones. That's what her video was. It was a themed one of, she had these bear stickers, and there was a bear swimming and a bear with its mama, and there were some bees flying around, so she found all her bee stickers. And then bees have honey, so she found honey pot stickers. And what's going on there? So it became a bear themed page, which I thought was really cool. So I'm just going to stick that there. W for Waiheke. Now this book serves absolutely no purpose. It's just for fun. So I thought we would go through Abby's little stash that I've taken to see what she's got in her collection. Art journaling, oh that's paper, butterflies, and I want flat ones. I don't want puffy ones, because they, so nothing in there. And a broken hair container. Right. What have we got in here? Oh, here we go. We've got some dog stickers. Okay, so they're the same. She's used some already. Now, let's use some of these. Right, A, B, C, D. D for dog. Oh, I haven't even got a dog. Now, I think I will use the Cavalier King Charles, because my son has got a Cavalier King Charles dog, little Charlotte. But she's the tricolour. So there's Charlotte, and we can do B for bow tie. These are great little ones because they're good little fillers. Bow tie. And we've got a party hat. So we'll go P for party hat. M-N-O-P, M-N-O-P. Pop that inside the P. So we've done that one. What do we got in here? Oh, we've got some, those are puffy, those are puffy. We've got some smiley emojis. Let's have a look at those. So we will do just one of those. And we will go E. E for emoji. You can go smack in the middle. I chose that one because that's an emoji that I send to the kids often. Right. Kittens, look at the little kittens. Okay. Feed me, meow. Okay. I like that one. But you get the idea, and it's, you know, very simple, very easy. You know, no thought. You're just collecting and sticking. I haven't been through Rosie's sticker stash yet. I'm not sure. Not sure. So we'll do one of these. What she's got in hers. Oh look, he looks like fudge. So we'll go. So that's because that's a cat, not a kitten. Just got to fill the gaps. So you can go there. Now, T-U-V-W, back to W, and I'll put some balls of wool. Do 2 of those, okay. Those are all, those are embroidered fabric. Butterflies, stars. And here we go. What have we got here? We've got some horses and some more puppies. Oh, look at them all. Okay. H. Had to think about that for a minute. G. H. And I think I'll use that one because she looks like Rio. Now Rio was my horse when I was younger. Right, those will be good little filler ones for all of those little gaps. So I might keep those out and do those. We've got ladybirds, we've got gems, those are puffy. So let's put all these back. And that's a few done. Thanks, Ab. Right. And then I've got one more of these cases to have a snoop through and see what we've got. What have we got in here? We've got glow-in-the-dark stars. We've got post-its. We've got a bookmark she's made. Valentine's Day paper pad. We've got hearts. We've got puffy hearts. We've got some mushrooms. I don't know what type of bird that is. What type of bird is it? Doesn't say. Okay. Nothing in that one. Right, so I'll keep those aside and I'll use those right at the end when it comes to filling in all the little gaps, but this will be an ongoing project for, like all my others, forever. But I hope you enjoyed that little video. Thank you, Nicole from Relax Cut Glue. I won't sing like she does because I can't. And I will leave it at that, and when I get some more in my stash ready to go, I might do another video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.